Didn't. You know what? I understand why people hate Trane if they live in a distributor state, because number one, they pay three prices.
Oh, it's
I mean,
awful.
that's
It's
a
terrible.
fact. If your state is not direct, like we're direct with Trane, but if your state has distributors to buy Trane or American Standard, the pricing is just nuts. Somebody told me
Hey,
once about a $900 coil
that was
and
me.
800. Was that
That
you?
was me.
Well, I didn't believe
There was more than one of us that told you about coils. I had
Hey,
a coil
I'm
cost
sure-
$1,500.
I'm sure the
Well, I
guys
didn't
in the
believe
chat
it.
are raising their hand too.
till I saw a piece of paper. Somebody showed me, and it might have been, I think it was you, Ralph, that showed me an invoice
Yeah.
where a normal coil was like $870 or something.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, you are joking.
Well, and also when I can't walk into a supplier and buy a set of heat strips without an equipment account,
I know.
you know,
I know. That's the
there's
worst
something wrong.
part.
If I can't go to the parts side and get a set of heat strips without going to the equipment side,
It's a snob thing.
and
It's
horrible.
really, it really ticks people off.
Yeah.
You know, you work hard, you're licensed, you got your EPA, you got your state cards, you got your checkbook, you know, your phone's ringing, you are a heating and air technician for a living, and they act all snobby as if you can't come to their counter and buy something. It really gives Trane a bad name, and they really should not do that. It's terrible.
Yeah.
So
We agree.
I understand.
Trane
that.
is snobs.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, there's several guys. One guy's saying his last train coil was $900. Never again, he says.
feel the pain. I mean, I got mad not long ago when one of mine went up to like 335.
Holy cow.
A very popular 3-ton coil that we use, the 004 coil. It's up to like 335 now, and I'm on the highest or the lowest pricing tier. But regardless, I just couldn't believe that. But that's a lot better, I guess, than what they're seeing in the distributor states.
Oh, it's horrible.
Yeah, it is pretty bad. I'd had some air handler coils is what I dealt with. They were extremely expensive. I mean, we're talking in the thousands, like $1,500, $1,400 for a single coil.
Oh, and that'd make you mad enough not to buy it and just buy it. You could go buy an air handler somewhere. But I've said it before.
Yeah,
I've
that's exactly what I did.
I don't blame you, but I've admitted it several times to several people that if I had to sell something else, you know, I could do it. I don't have a problem with ICP. I really don't.
Hey, I always liked it.
There was like a pause right there. After he got done talking, there was like a little pause, like a tumbleweed blew through. We're like,
no, he used to sell ICP.
I know. I remember him talking about that. I know other people might not know that.
But I could, you know, if I had to, and that's probably where I would go.
I would hope you would go over to Ferguson and buy their equipment.
Hell no.
Well, here's
like, what?
They sell Rheem there.
They have Rheem here. So if I can't go to the factory in America and watch the equipment be made, I'm not going to buy it and sell it.